Now in the stadium is number 22. This is Lyda McAllister on Solomon's Son, number 22. And once again, if you're riding in the grass, so you decide, you're more than welcome to go ahead. The arena is pretty much running on time.
So still no babies? Somebody watching that today?
Yeah, we had Alex spend the night, so he could watch it from 4 to 9, and then there's like a bed in the office there today at noon, and so we'll be home by 5 -ish.
Yeah.
Somebody will look at it every hour
The 108, Knock Your Socks Off, written by Caitlin Connor, is now entering the grass arena. 108, Caitlin Connor, is now entering the grass arena.
Wow. Yeah, any day. Maybe tonight, that'd be good. Maybe early tonight so you can go to sleep.
We gotta put the arena back together, Jack.